In this session, let us learn about YouTube. HTML YouTube videos struggling with video formats. The easiest way to play videos in HTML is to use VideoTube. Converting videos to different formats can be difficult and time consuming. An easier solution is to let YouTube play the videos in your web page. YouTube video ID. YouTube will display an ID like this. See, when you save or play a video, you can use this ID and refer to your video in the HTML code. Playing a YouTube video in HTML. To play your video on a web page, do the following. Upload the video to the YouTube. Take a note of the video ID. Define an iframe element in your web page. Let the src attributes point to the video URL. Use the width and height attributes to specify the dimensions of the player. Add any other parameters to the URL. See below. See the example. By writing and executing this code, we can get result like this. See here. Website will not allow Firefox to display the page if another site has embedded. To protect your security, www.youtube.com will not allow Firefox to display that page if another site has embedded. To see this page, you need to open it in the new window. YouTube autoplay plus mute. You can let your video start playing automatically when the user visits a page by adding autoplay is equal to 1 to the YouTube URL. However, automatically starting a video is annoying for your visitors. Chromium browsers do not allow autoplay in most cases. However, muted autoplay is always allowed. Add mute 1 after autoplay 1 to let your video start playing automatically but muted. See YouTube autoplay plus muted. By writing and executing this code, we will get result like this. YouTube playlist. A comma separated list of videos to play in addition to the original URL. YouTube loop. Add loop is equal to 1 to let your video loop forever. Value 0 default, the video will play only once. Value 1, the video will loop forever. See, by writing this code, we will get the looped video. YouTube controls. Add controls is equal to 0 to not display controls in the video player. Value 0 player controls does not display. Video 1 default players controls display. See here, by writing and executing this code, we will get result like this. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 66 YouTube. In next video, let us learn about another topic, APIs GEO locations.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.